Yes, next is true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. So first is bile juice is secreted by pancreas. No, it is false. Just now I have told you in the previous video that bile juice is secreted by gallbladder, not pancreas. So water from the undigested food is absorbed in food pipe. No, it is false. Water from the undigested food is absorbed in the large intestine, not from in the food pipe. So third is saliva breaks down starch. Yes, saliva always break down starch in our mouth. So that's why we can say that digestion starts from the mouth. Okay. Fourth is digestive juices convert complex food into simple substances. Yes, it is also true. You know that many digestive juices secreted in the stomach, and some of them are secreted in the small intestine also. So they all convert the complex food material into simple substances. Snakes swallow their food. Yes, it is true. Snakes always swallow their food. Swallow means nigalna. Okay. And choose the correct option. Again they have given here. So the process of taking in food through mouth is called chewing, digestion, ingestion and egestion. So correct option is ingestion. You know that it is a process. Ingestion is a process of taking food through the mouth. Okay. When we put food in our mouth, that process is called ingestion. So grazing animals like cow and buffaloes are known as ruminants. Children, about ruminants we had studied in this chapter that ruminants are some animals which are grazing animals. Grazing means जो घास चरने वाले animals होते हैं. They are called cows. They are called ruminants. So their examples are cows, buffaloes. Okay, two examples given here. Just like same like that, many animals you also know. So third is, what is the food capturing whole amoeba called? Food vacuole. Its mouth, cell wall, food vacuole and stomach. These options are given. Right option is food vacuole. You know children, in case of amoeba, that one hole it is formed around the food particle, which is called food vacuole. I'll show you through the diagram. You can understand better. See here, about this they are talking about. This one. This hole like structure is created here. When food particles enter in this, then it comes, these both the pseudopodia join together and it will form like a food vacuole. So these are the food vacuoles which are formed by this kind of structure. So these are food vacuole in which that food particles are digested in case of amoeba. Okay. So they are talking about this food particle. Now after this, fourth is bile juice help in digestion of dash. So bile juice help in the digestion of calcium, proteins, starch or fats. They are only, bile juice only helps in the digestion of fats. Okay, this bile juice first convert the fats into small fat globules, small fat globules, and after making that fat globules, then it will break down further those fat globules into fatty acids. Okay, means which is smallest part of that fats. Next, fifth is the finger like structures that increases the surface area of absorption in small intestine are called lining, hair, cilia or villi. So right option is villi. Large finger like structures which are present in the small intestine and they always increase the surface area for absorption. So that are called villi. And this villi also I can show you here in this diagram. See here, it is given here. This is a small intestine. Children, here it is in the coiled form. In digestive system we can see, and inside it means this inner wall is made up of this kind of structure. These kind of villi are present here. This is a structure of villi. Means if this layer is plain, then more food particles or more nutrients can't be absorbed. Okay, so that's why it provides more surface area. It increases the surface area so that more and more nutrient can goes into the blood. Here inside it, blood capillaries are present. There is a rich supply of blood capillaries are there. So nutrients always transport from this villi to these blood capillaries, blood vessels. Okay, so this is a structure of villi which provide increase the surface area. So after this, next one is which organ absorbs water from the undigested food? So first is food pipe, second large intestine, third option is small intestine, and fourth option is stomach. So children, which organ absorb water from the undigested food? I have already explained you in the case of true or false when we read that large intestine is a part from where water is absorbed from the undigested food. Okay, so in this part, large intestine, water is absorbed. So children, these are the exercises, complete exercises of this chapter. So you learn them, and if you don't have, again I am telling you that if you don't have new book, don't worry, you just note down these all the exercises in some page and stick in your book that page so that you can learn them for your exams. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.